Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy S26 Ultra, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, however the mode doesn't really matter because we will open general settings. So to do that, simply tap on this 4 dots icon here in the right lower corner and go to the settings, so tap on the gear icon. Now let's scroll all the way down and find the option Reset Settings and tap on Reset. We just got back to the camera, and it basically means that we just successfully reset camera preferences. I'm not sure if you've noticed, but I had this option turned off, which was my own customization, and right now it is turned on. It is a night mode, which means that the camera was reset successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.